Hey, Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing a yellow look with the Honey palette and the Radioactive palette for a part of my monochromatic series. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Welcome back. It's a yellow kind of day. I figured that with yellow, it was hard to see on my skin tone. I don't know if it's my undertones. I don't know. But I figured it'd be fun to do, and I wanted to do like a dramatic wing. Also, I got this cute top, and so I was like, well, I can make my choker, use these earrings that I got, or that I ordered. Oh gosh, I don't remember what. But anyway, yellow for my lightning bolts. So to get started, I'm just gonna take the Colourpop E1 brush, and I'm gonna start with the Honey palette by Colourpop, which is so cute. I love it. And I'm gonna go into Oh Behave or Beehive. Yeah, Oh Behave, like bee, like the bumblebees. Anyway, being goofy, and I'm making a mess. I'm just gonna get that and dip it in, and I'm gonna run this through the crease. This is gonna be pretty quick, I think. It didn't take very long to do. So just take it and get it built up in the crease. But I'm just doing back and forth windshield wiper motions. I'm gonna take it a little bit in towards the inner, or the outer corner of my lid, my bad. So once you have it built up to your liking, go ahead and take any like little fluffy brush. I'm taking the Luxie 237 brush. I'm gonna go into the shade Sweet Spot, and I'm just gonna blend out Oh Behave with that. So I'm gonna get it and give it a little, and just right where we left off, begin to blend. I'm just using small circular motions to get this blended together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into that Colourpop E1 brush and Oh Behave, and then just run it through the crease again. Now I'm going to dip into the Radioactive palette by Cosmetics and go into Neon. And I'm just going to take the ABH A14 brush and apply it with that, but I'm not going to take it all the way out to the outer corner of the lid because I'm going to have like a little bit of that Oh Behave shade there. So I'm just getting this onto the brush, and I'm going to tap it down. Make a mess of my nose. And I'm getting towards the deep crease. I'm just kind of just back and forth windshield wiper motions, blending it there as well. On the lid, I'm just patting it down. But up in the crease, I'm just kind of running it back and forth. Okay. Now I'm going to take this Luxie small shader brush and just apply it with that because I'm getting frustrated with that one. It's not doing what I want it to do. So, I'm just going to pack that down. There we go. Just applying it all over the lid, leaving a little bit of the outer corner open or like just blank. And then go ahead and go back into that Honey palette and go into the shade Oh Behave and use the same brush. I'm using the Colourpop E1 brush. I'm just gonna tap off the excess, just gonna run it through there, get it blended together. And then I'm just gonna take that Luxie 237 brush and that Sweet Spot shade, and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna just apply a wing. I started out with the Lola from Colourpop. It was the Becky G and Colourpop collection, the brush shaped eyeliner. I started out with that, and then it didn't quite, something looked like it was missing. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit chunkier on the inner part here, or like the outer corner. So I used my ABH eyeliner. So yeah, this is kind of a bougie wing. So I'm gonna apply that, and then I'll just go and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. But I will keep in the wing, just in case you want to see. And we're back. So I just went ahead and smoked out the lower lash line, added the inner corner highlight. For the inner corner highlight, I used the Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in extra. It's what I just used on my face. I love that one. Like, that highlight is bomb. My favorite though is this pillow top highlight from Ofra. And you can see I've about hit pan on it. I have like 2 more put up because I got them. I can't remember how. I think I got some on sale or something. Anyway, that was, but my second place is right here. Though the Juvia's Place, the Tribe Volume 3 highlight is also a contender for the poppin', like, yeah. Anyway, so I popped that on, and then I used this creme gel liner and Exit from Colourpop to line my lid because it was a lot of repetitive, like, faces, and I probably got lipstick in my teeth. But this is just simple as can be. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm taking Neon from the Radioactive palette. And I'm gonna run that through the lash, or like right underneath the lash line, like right up against it. And then just pop on mascara and lashes. Alright, so now I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of this L'Oreal Unlimited mascara and these lashes from Your Little Minx Lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I love it. I love yellow. I just wasn't sure what I was going to do with the lower lash line area, but I think I got it figured out. I don't mind the like sparklies going on and everything. I think it's pretty cute. I think it was more what I was going for because I was like, you know, monochromatic, there's only so many things you can do with yellow, and just there's a few other colors that you can only do so many things with. So I was like, okay, I'll just add a wing, and it'll be pretty much all matte, except for like the little reflex in the neon shade from the Radioactive palette, but I am living, especially because I love black lipstick, and I feel like yellow is the perfect color to wear a black lip with. So yes, I'm so happy. Let me know down below what you'd like to see next. If you like this look, what your favorite lipstick shade is, if you like lipstick. And I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye.